students, today we will be starting a new chapter, that is ratio, proportion and unitary method, chapter 8. First off, I will be starting with exercise 8.1. I've already written down the question. Find the ratio of 75 paise to rupees 6. Now we are asked to find the ratio of 75 paise to rupees 6. Now as you can see, the unit of this question given here is paise and the other one is rupees. So we need to check whether the units are same or not. Okay, if the units are not same, we will convert it. If they are same, we will be doing it directly. So since in this question the units are not same, one is given in paise and the other one is given in rupees, so we will have to change either paise to rupees or rupees to paise. So it is easy to change rupees to paise because we all know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We all know that. So we'll be using this conversion of unit and we'll be doing this question. Okay, so let us just write down. How do we write in the ratio? 75 paise, that is 75. I will just write P for paise and 2, the ratio. So we are asked to find the ratio of 75 paise to rupees 6. So this is the symbol of ratio. This is called is to. Okay, so 75 paise is to rupees 6. So like I told you, we will change this rupees to paise. If we change rupees to paise, you will get 6 into how many paise is equal to 1 rupee? It is 100 paise. So we will multiply by 100 and this rupees will become paise. Okay, so 75 paise is to 6 into 100 is 600 paise. Now we will be finding out the ratio from here. How do we do that? We will write like this: 75 paise to 600 paise. Paise and paise you will cancel like this. You divide by 5 both. 5 ones are 5, 2 in carry, 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5, 2 in carry, 5 4s are 20, and 5 0. 5 3s are 15. 5. Sorry, this is 120. Yeah, this will be 120. So 5 2s are 10, and 4s are 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are. So you'll get 1 by 8. So the ratio will be 1:8. Always remember, the first one will be always in the numerator and the second one will be always in the denominator. You cannot change this. Okay, it will have separate meaning if you change this order. So the first one goes up and the second one goes down, always like this. All right, so this is the answer. Next I will be doing question number 2, which is 10 liters to 250 milliliters. So basically in this question you need to know the conversion of certain units like rupees to paise, and here liters to milliliters. Always change the larger unit to the smaller unit like I did here. If you compare paise and rupees, rupees is greater, so it is always easy to change the greater unit to the smaller unit. And in order to do that, we just have to multiply with their units. Okay, with their units of how much they require. I mean, like how much of this smaller unit is equal to this bigger unit. So in case of rupees and paise, the unit change we have to change is rupees to paise, and they are 100. Okay, so rupees, if you ask to change to paise, you will have to multiply by 100. So big to small. If you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, it will be multiply. Okay, and if you are changing smaller unit to bigger unit, it will be divide. You will have to divide by the same. For example, if you are changing this rupees to paise, it will be 6 divided by 100. Okay, so 10 liters to 250 milliliters. We have to identify which one is the larger unit here. If you see, liters is the larger unit to milliliter. Okay, and you must know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so we will be changing this liter into millimeter by multiplying by 1000. Okay, so this will be, okay, first let us write it in the ratio form. 10 liter is to 250 milliliter. So 10 liter, if you change into milliliter, it will be 10 into 1000 milliliter is to 250 milliliter. Now you can see both the units are same. Then we will be able to cut like this and then change into ratio. So 10 into 1000 will be 10,000 milliliter is to 250 milliliter. So you do like this, 10,000 by 250. Both the units are milliliter. So these two get cancelled, 0 0 cancel. You can divide by 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20 and 0. So you get 40 by 1. So the answer will be 40 is to 1. Okay, next I will be doing question number 4, 10 hours to a day. If you just take a clear look, 10 hours to a day. So this is 10 hours is to a day, means 1 day. Okay, now here if you just compare these two, day and hours, which one is greater, which one is the greater unit? Day is greater than hours, so we will change this day to hours. So you have to know in 1 day how many hours are there. In 1 day we have 24 hours, so we will multiply this 1 day by 24 hours. Okay, 10 hours is to 1 day will be 1 into 24 hours. So this will be 10 hours is to 1 into 24 hours. So both the units are same. Now you divide like this, 10 by 24. 2 5s are 10, 2 into 12, 24. So if you can see, you cannot cancel anymore, so the answer will be like this only. So this is 5 is to 12. Okay, so we have 3 more questions, sub questions in this question number 1. I would like you to do it by yourself. I'll just give you some hints. Okay, so I have written down the hints like this. For question number 3, you will need this conversion. So I'm giving you these hints. In question number 3, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Question number 5, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Question number 6, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So using these hints, you can find the answers. Okay.